Assalamu alaikum and hi everyone, welcome to the Brainy Hub. Today's video is all about presenting Montessori Sandpaper Letters. These are topics of today's video. Working with sandpaper letters helps children to learn how the sounds they hear are written. The child traces over and over again until the shape of the letter becomes a part of the child's memory. Now let's make the sandpaper letters using the first method. For that we need to cut the boards into square pieces. Then a marker, pencil, some glue and some colored sand or salt. First we draw the letter with the pencil on the board. Then draw the outline with the marker. After that, we apply some glue on the letter and sprinkle the sand or salt on the letter and dust it off. Then your sandpaper letter is ready. The second method is using sandpaper. First, we need to take a sheet of sandpaper and paint it to make it more colorful. We can also use it without painting. Let it dry for some time. Next, we draw the letter on the sandpaper and then we cut it. After we have cut all the letters, we apply glue and paste them onto the square or rectangular board. Our sandpaper letters are now ready. What is this? Good. What's this? Let's keep your finger.
Rocket.
Keep the doll, please. You can play it with me.
No.
Here. Two, Nanga. Two. Okay. Show me M. No, can you show me M? M. Show please. Can you show please?
Mama do Buddha.
Please show Please say
Water. Mama.
Please say
Mama,
if.
water.
Show me Emma, please. Mashallah. Show me. Show me. Good.
Uttu.
Good.
Magara.
What is this? Good. What is this?
Uttu.
No. Good. The next activity is the matching activity. This activity is done after introducing the letters, both capital and simple, to a child and revised. First, the child places all the uppercase letter cards. Next, the child matches the lowercase letters of the same letter and places below the capital letter card. Mama says this activity helps a child to understand that both the letters form or represent the same. This activity also manipulates children to understand the letters visually and explore the alphabet. Thanks for watching and bye-bye.